अभिजीत बाब, तुम्ही आज हांगा बोट फेस्टिवलाक येयले आनी आमकांय खबर आहा तुमच्यो बोटी चालू आहा, वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज आनी कळ्ळें दिसलें फेस्टिवलाक येवन?
एक्चुअली असो फेस्टिवल गोंयान एक दोनदा तरी जावंक जाय आनी खूब बरें बरें कितें आयडियाज गावता आनी आमचे बोट्सकार सगळे जावं नुस्तेकार जावं बोट वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आनी कितून लोक आहा तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी येवन हांगा आपली म्हणजे येवन विजीट करूंक जाय एकदा तरी अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी अशें बोट शो एक गोंयान जावचें अशें आमकांय दिसता.
हितून आतां जेटस्की आसा, बनाना रायड, तूं वॉटर स्पोर्ट्सान वचपाचो आहा?
हांवें ऑलरेडी एक जेटस्की बूक केलें हांवें आनी बंपर बनाना आनी एक 2-3 कीट आतां घेतल्या आनी एक 2 कायक पॅडल
ओके
ते एक घेतल्या आनी ऑर्डर केल्या तांकां आतां आनी नेक्स्ट फॉलोअप करपाचो मागीर.
म्हणजे कोको बीच कायाकिंगाचो क्रेज येयला दिसता?
ना कोको बिचार न्हय, आमचे बॅक वॉटर मांडवी रिवरान चलोवपाक.
आं, बॅक वॉटर मांडवी रिवरान.
आनी सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार कितें हांगा बऱ्यो बऱ्यो वस्तू आहा जे आनी तुका येयल्या उपरांतूच कळटा की कितें कितें मेळटा आनी आमकां खुबश्यो गोश्टी ह्यो फक्त जेंट्सां कडल्यान कळटाल्यो. हांगा जे बोट शो जाता ते कारणान आमकां सगळ्यो वस्तू सारक्यो गावता आनी अशें हे बोट शो अशेंच जावचें आमची इच्छा आहा. बोटकार बोट फाल्यां हांव सांगता.
ओके, थँक्यू.
बरें.
Yeah, hi. What's your good name?
I'm Akash.
Okay, can you brief about your product?
Yeah, so we are manufacturers of steering system, hydraulic steering system. So we are made in India company. We are based out in Nagpur. So as you can see here, these are normal hydraulics, and we are also displaying our power steering. This is the flagship product. It is basically made in India. If you rotate the wheel, it is a bit hard. There is a normal hydraulic. When you come to power steering, it is driven by a battery. This is our flagship product. Yeah. This is basically for the fishing industry, say commercial industry and so on. And for this, outboard motor, yacht, small boats.
So, how this boat festival is effective?
We are getting like the leads. First of all, we are here for the leads and for the exposure part. So yeah, being an Indian manufacturer, it is helping us a lot.
Well, now fishing jetty is very close from this area, means right opposite Malin. So after this is like 3 days. Tomorrow is the last day. So would you like to put up stall near that jetty, because there are many fishing owners there?
Yeah, but I don't think they will allow because due to this rain red alert. But if they do so, we want to demonstrate it. Yeah, surely. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hello sir, just tell me about this display.
We are representing Indian Coast Guard. So starter of duties you can see here, and we have various ships, aircraft, and you can see how you can join Indian Coast Guard.
Okay. So there is a scanner there. If anybody wants to join Indian Coast Guard, they should scan this. Thank you. Yeah, hi. Yeah, just tell me about your stall.
Actually, we are just creating an awareness regarding our food. We are situated in this place. And these are our sponsors who provide us food to give to the inmates and other street. We distribute the food excess. And these are the things which we take care of.
Okay.
Just an awareness for people to take.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Hi, what's your good name?
Farzan.
Okay, so you are selling this Suzuki product. So how is the response?
It is good. It is good.
So now Goa is on water sports, then fishing. So like this, how different this product from Yamaha?
It has good prices, it has good service network, it has good space availability, and we have a team of technicians who travel all across India and provide services, after services, and also availability is good.
Okay, you have dealers in Goa or
Not present.
okay?
We are about to have our own office setup maybe, or maybe a dealer network to be arranged.
Okay, for Goans who want to buy Suzuki, what is your this thing, website and all?
Perfect House Private Limited. Perfect House Private.
Wait a minute. Okay, thank you.
Why we can actually we are the full distributor for Suzuki output all across America.
Okay, thank you. Hi, what is your good name? Vinod. So this is your floating product. So in Goa, like tourism activities moves on, and we see lot of requirement for Goans. So how your firm will be easy to purchase this product?
See, at any given point of time, we'll be having around 2,000 to 3,000 pieces in our factory. We are based out of Hyderabad, and one call away, if anyone is placing an order, we'll be immediately able to dispatch the material. On
Yeah. Any distributor is there in Goa?
We don't have any distributor right now. We are directly giving to the end user. In case any distributor is ready to come and ask for it, we are ready to give it.
Can you brief your company name and mobile number so anyone can contact through?
Yeah, so my company name is SRR Aqua Suppliers. We are the manufacturers of floating jetties, floating docks, based out of Hyderabad, and our phone number is 9000 123422.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Why not? Oh,